Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create a new Gmail account. So let's start. For creating a new Gmail account, you have to create a new Google account. So for doing this, just go to your Google in this case, and then let's go to the top right corner here, and then let's go to add another account. Here you can sign in if you have an account, or if you want to create, just click on create an account. You can select for my personal use, for my child, for my business. In this case, I will use for my personal. You write your name, your relax name, and then just click on next. You have to click on your date that you prefer, and then just click on gender, and then next. Okay, you can use here your username. If you prefer, you can write, for example, romantic. Okay, and then just click on next. There is not available, you can check here, okay, for another user. And then you can write here your password, confirm your password, and when you do it, just go to next. Okay, so just write it, and just write it here again to confirm it, and then just click on next. Okay, so let's write it. And when you do it and finish writing your password, you can start confirming and go to the next part. Okay, so just click on next, and just click on recover email if you prefer it, and you can escape it, and then you can review your account, press next, and in that way you can create a new Gmail account or your new Google account in that way. So guys, that's how it works. I hope this helps you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.